Let me show you how we can use home screen widgets on Samsung Galaxy S26. If you want to add a widget, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on an empty space and then go to widgets at the bottom of the screen. You will see some example widgets that you can use pretty much straight away if you want to, but then we can also scroll down in order to see the list of apps that support widgets. So you can try to find an app and a widget from that app that you want to use on the home screen. Let's say I can use this one. You can tap on the widget to add it to the home screen, or you can press and hold your finger on that widget and then drop it pretty much anywhere you want to. Besides that, most of the time widgets can be resized by grabbing by these corners, and then you can try to adjust its size quite easily. As you can see, there are many different ways to adjust the size, and of course this depends on the widget itself. In some cases resizing is limited and you cannot adjust its size fully, or in some cases you cannot change the size of a widget at all. You can only just place it in any position on the home screen. You can also press and hold your finger on an app in order to find these additional options, and then if widgets from that app are available, then you can find widgets option in here as well. So you can quickly add a widget from here, and let's say I'm gonna add something like this. There we go. And this is how we can add widgets. If you want to remove a widget, you can of course press and hold your finger, and then we have the remove option, and that's all you have to do. We can also create stacks. So if you press and hold your finger, you can find the create stack option. This allows you to add widgets that have exactly the same size as the one that you used as the base. So in this case, I had a widget that was 4x1. So now I can find other 4x1 widgets, or other widgets that can be resized to 4x1. At least I believe that is the case, and then I should be able to add the widget into the stack. In here we can now swipe between these widgets. You can of course keep adding more widgets into the stack. So if you want to, for example, add something like this in here, there we go, then we should be able to switch between all of these available widgets. You can just keep swiping in order to save some space on the home screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.